They were so well behaved a minute ago. Every one of them was seated, not standing on one leg or any of that. And just because I came to a stop, I've been trying to be quiet. Oh look, some of them have gone back to sitting. Let's see, I think I'm on Coffin's Beach, because that's Wingershik. Oh, and I found something very exciting. A house that's boarded up on the ocean. I think I might need to start squatting. Let's see. So that's where this is. The house that can be squatted is not that. It's the next one. Down a short ways. I just like this. The quiet time with the birds. I'm going to walk towards them. A few steps. They take a few. Some still sit. Oop. Oop. Stand. Two are seated. That's it. Just two. One more step from me. Nothing. One more step. All right, now one is seated. That's it. One more step. Another one. Look it. Ah, you stood. And the sandbar of my dreams, my favorite spot is this thing. I can sort of see it now. Okay, back. Enough playing with birds.